Naomi here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with another Target beauty box unboxing. You guys, I'm so excited about these boxes. I'm like blown away about like such like good quality and also like the price. It's literally only $7. So I'll be doing my unboxing today. Before we get to it, if you like these types of videos, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll get to the video. Also my shirt matches the box. You know the vibes. So anyways, let's get to it. So this month for March, they actually had two boxes. One was more like skincare, and then the other one was more spring break, kind of like if you're going on a vacation, because it's perfect for me because exactly in a month I will be going to California. I know, coronavirus, whatever, I'm still going, I don't care. So yeah, this is the theme. It's called Out of Office. Get a little card with all the products that are inside and a $3 off coupon that you can use at Target, and has very nice tissue paper, and we'll see what we have. So first thing that we have here is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, and it's used for normal to oily skin types. It gently removes surface oils, dirt, and makeup without stripping skin. So I know Cetaphil is a really good brand. I've never had the chance to use it, so I'm actually pretty excited that I get to use it. Next up is this OGX Coconut Miracle Oil and Dry Shampoo, and it has coconut oil, Tyre, vanilla bean extracts, and it helps absorb, extend your style, blah blah blah. So it's pretty much a dry shampoo. I've seen that this brand is pretty good, but I've never used it. I'm not really big on dry shampoos, just because the one time that I did use it, it left like white residue on my hair, and I didn't really like that. So I'm open to giving it like another try. Oh, that smells pretty good. That smells pretty good. So yeah, I might give this a try. So another dry shampoo that we got is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I've seen this brand everywhere. I know everybody raves about this brand, and I've seen it, you know, everywhere. So I'm actually kind of excited that we got it. But like I said, I don't know, I'm not really like a big dry shampoo kind of person, but we'll give it a chance. That smells good. Oh, see, I feel like it's already like starting to leave the white residue, or is that just me? Are you just supposed to pat it or like massage it in your hair? I don't know. We'll give this a try. So very nicely wrapped is this Thayer's Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner Facial Mist Rose Petal. So it says that it's a pore cleansing rose water and certified organic aloe vera, cleanses, tones, and moisturizes and balances the skin's pH level, revealing a gorgeous glowing complexion. So I've actually seen this brand mostly with their like toners, but I've never used it. And this is a pretty like big sample. It's 3 fluid ounces, and oh my god, this is like a pretty good size. So next up we have this Nexus shampoo that has elastin protein and green caviar. So the Nexus, and we also have the conditioner that comes with it. Now I've heard that Nexus is like a pretty like good like high-end brand. I've never actually used it, but this is really gonna come in handy for my travel bag. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using these. So next up is this Schmidt's Rose and Black Pepper Natural Deodorant. It's enriched with hemp seed oil for sensitive skin. This luxurious, long-lasting scent neutralizes odor and keeps you feeling fresh and smelling delicious all day long. And it's vegan and cruelty-free. You guys, this is a full-size product. We got a full-size aluminum-free deodorant, which is what I've been like looking for. Oh my god, I love this box. I am loving these boxes. So it definitely smells like, I smell more of the pepper than the rose. Kind of like when you put a little bit too much pepper in your food and you can like smell it. It's kind of what it smells like. It smells like super like overpowering, but you know, you can tell it's just a little off. So I wonder if like, it's just weird to describe it, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Like you can smell the rose. It's just a little bit of, you know, the pepper. And can I just say like how cute these boxes are? Like, I'm sorry, but Birchbox and Ipsy could never I'm definitely like so excited about all these products, you guys. There's not one thing that I'm saying like, wow, I'm not gonna use that. There is gonna be a purpose for all of these. They're very good, like sizely products. They're definitely gonna come in handy, you know, if you're gonna travel. Like, I'm just blown away. I love Target. I love Target. Like, I never thought I'd say that. And I'm not someone that is, you know, utterly obsessed with Target, because I know there's some people are, but wow. Yeah, so this box cost me $7. It's free shipping. It's not a subscription, so at the beginning of every month, you just go to Target, well, you look up like Target Beauty Box, and you know, they'll show up. So at the beginning of the month, they'll have a new box every month, which I love, I'm obsessed with. Definitely gonna keep doing these videos if you guys are interested. But yeah, that was my Target box. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.